Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 37. Bob owns cats and birds. There are a total of 28 feet and 18 eyes. How many of each animal does Bob own? So here's your chance to pause the video as always and try and solve this problem yourself. This is a problem involving algebra, so here is your chance to pause it. Now I'm going to go on to the next slide now and start working through the solution. Let the number of cats equal C. Let the number of birds equal B. Now let's look at the feet first. 4 times C, that is 4 times the number of cats, that gives you the total feet for the cats. 2 times the number of birds, that gives you the total feet for the birds. So when you add those two up, that gives you 28, because the total number of feet was 28. So that's equation 1. Now let's look at the eyes. Now each of the animals has 2 eyes, whether they're cats or birds. So 2 times the number of cats plus 2 times the number of birds, that equals 18, and they're the number of eyes. So that is equation 2. Now these two equations here, we're going to solve them simultaneously. Once we do that, then we can find the solution for each letter. So multiply equation 2 by 2. So let's double this equation here. So we're allowed to do that. Nothing changes when we do. If we double 2c, that gives us 4c. If we double 2b, that gives us 4b. And if we double 18, that gives you 36. So that now is equation 3. So let's look at the next slide, where we'll be focusing on equation 1 and equation 3, because they're the two equations we're going to use to begin the solution. So here's equation 1 and here's equation 3. Now, because the 4c and the 4c exist here, we can subtract equation 1 from equation 3. So we're doing a subtraction. So basically it's equation 3 minus equation 1. That will eliminate one of the letters. 4c minus 4c gives you 0. 4b minus 2b gives you 2b. 36 minus 28 gives you 8. So if 2b equals 8, therefore b equals 4. So that is the number of birds. So we have 4 birds. Now we have to solve for the cats. So we'll do that on the next slide. So I've repeated equation 1 and equation 3 again because we have to substitute b equals 4. You can substitute it into any one of those equations, but I've chosen to substitute it into equation 1 because that looks like the simpler equation of the two. So 4c plus 2 times 4, because b is 4, equals 28. 4c plus 8 equals 28. Subtract 8 from both sides, which gives us 4c equals 20. Divide both sides by 4, so c equals 5. So the number of birds equals 4. The number of cats equals 5. This is an excellent example, again, of how we use algebra in the area of problem solving. I wonder how you went with that one.